how to create a new user account on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a new user account on Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to search bar and then simply search in for settings on your device. So once you search in for settings, just open it, and from over here just select this account section. So as you can see, currently this account is the administrator. Now to simply add a new account, you can just tap on this family and other option over here, or other users. So if you are going to add a family member account, you can just tap on this add a family member. But if you want to add someone else like your friend or other person on this computer, for them to be able to control this PC, just tap on this add someone else to this PC over here. And once you open it, it will automatically redirect you to the Microsoft account screen. So even if that person don't have a Microsoft account, you can still create and give access to that particular person for their account. So just tap on this I don't have this person's info, sign in info over here. If you have one, so if you have a Microsoft account or email, now it will prompt you to enter your Microsoft email over here, or any sort of email. You can also get a new email address by simply tapping on this button over here. But if you don't want to use a Microsoft account, just tap on this add a user without a Microsoft account option. Now you can simply basically give a username just like this. So let me just quickly give a username, and you can just enter your password just like this. You just have to provide some of the security question over here. So just enter whatever you want based on your choice. So let me just quickly fill out all of these details successfully and just click on next. And just like that, as you can see, my new local account has been successfully added. Now to verify it, you can just come over to this start section and just hover over to your account section and simply click on it, and you should see two different accounts. Now in my case it's three different accounts, so you can basically switch in between these accounts just like that by simply tapping on one of those. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.